Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Clips, the channel where learning English is fun, simple, and full of real-life conversations. I'm Emily, and I'm so happy to have you with us today. Before we start, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Mr. English Clips for more fun and easy English lessons every day.
That's right. Your support really helps us reach more English learners all around the world. So, Emily, what are we talking about today?
Today's topic is very special and super useful. We're going to learn how to speak English in real situations.
Oh, that's great, because many people can read or write English, but when they face a real-life situation, like talking to someone, ordering food, or asking for help, they freeze.
Exactly. It's one thing to know grammar and vocabulary, but it's another thing to actually use English in daily life. So in today's episode, we'll take you through different real situations at the restaurant, airport, shop, on the street, at the hotel, and more, and show you how to speak naturally and confidently.
That sounds fun. Real-life English in action. Let's get started.
Let's begin with the most common one, meeting someone new.
Right. It's the first step in any real conversation. So imagine we meet at a coffee shop for the first time.
Okay, let's try. Hi, excuse me, is this seat taken?
Oh, no, please go ahead. It's free.
Thanks. By the way, I'm Emily.
Nice to meet you, Emily. I'm Michael.
Nice to meet you too. Do you come here often?
Sometimes, yeah. It's a nice place to relax and work. How about you?
It's my first time here. I heard they make great coffee.
Oh, yes. You should try the caramel latte. It's my favorite.
Thanks, I'll do that.
That's a very natural and polite way to start small talk. Notice how we didn't jump straight into serious topics. We started with something simple, like the seat, the place, and coffee.
Exactly. When you meet someone new, keep it friendly and light. You can ask questions like, do you live around here? What do you do? How's your day going?
And always smile. A friendly tone makes a big difference.
Now, let's go to another everyday situation. At a restaurant.
Ah, yes, food. Everyone loves this one. So, I'll be the waiter and you can be the customer.
Okay, sounds good.
Good evening. Welcome to Sunny Cafe. May I take your order?
Yes, please. Could I have the grilled chicken salad and a glass of orange juice?
Of course. Would you like any dressing with your salad?
Yes, please. Can I have some honey mustard on the side?
Sure. Anything else?
No, that's all for now. Thank you.
Perfect. Your order will be ready in a few minutes.
Thank you.
That's a great example. Simple, polite, and natural. You can also say things like, "Can I see the menu, please?" Or, "Could I have the bill, please?"
Right. And if you don't understand something on the menu, just ask, "Excuse me, what's in this dish?" Or, "Is this spicy?"
Exactly. Never be shy to ask questions. It's part of real communication.
Now let's go shopping, one of my favorite topics.
Of course it is. Let's imagine you're buying clothes.
All right. Excuse me, do you have this shirt in medium size?
Let me check. Yes, we do. Here you go.
Thanks. Can I try it on?
Sure, the fitting room is right over there.
After trying, it fits perfectly. How much is it?
It's $25, but there's a 10% discount today.
Oh, that's great. I'll take it.
Would you like to pay by cash or card?
By card, please.
And that's it. Very natural. Remember to use polite words like please, thank you, and excuse me.
Yes, and if you're not sure about something, you can say, "Can I get a different color? Do you have this in another size?"
Shopping can actually be a great way to practice English because you have to talk, listen, and react quickly.
Let's move to the airport, a very common situation for travelers.
Yes, let's do a short role play.
Good morning. I'd like to check in for my flight to London.
Sure, may I have your passport, please?
Here you go.
Thank you. Do you have any luggage to check in?
Yes, just one suitcase.
Okay, please place it on the scale. Your flight departs at 9:30. Here's your boarding pass.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a pleasant flight.
See how simple and polite that is? It's all about confidence and tone.
Exactly. You don't need complicated grammar, just clear, polite sentences.
And don't forget to say "excuse me" when asking for help. Like, "Excuse me, where is gate number 12?" Or, "Could you tell me where the restroom is?"
Yes, those small phrases make communication smooth.
Now imagine you're walking in a new city and you get lost. What do?
Oh, that's me every time I travel. Let's try.
"Excuse me, could you tell me how to get to the train station?"
Sure. Go straight for 2 blocks, then turn left. The station will be on your right.
Thank you so much.
No problem. Have a great day.
Simple and friendly. If you don't understand, you can say, "Sorry, could you say that again, please?" Or, "Can you speak a little slower?"
Yes, and that's totally okay. People will be happy to help if you ask politely.
Let's add another one. At the hotel.
Ah, yes, very useful when traveling.
"Good evening. I have a reservation under the name Emily Brown."
Welcome, Miss Brown. May I see your ID, please?
"Sure, here it is."
Thank you. You'll be staying for 3 nights, correct?
"Yes, that's right."
Here's your room key. You're in room 204 on the second floor. Breakfast is from 7 to 10 a.m.
"Perfect, thank you." Oh, one more thing. Do you have free Wi-Fi?
Yes, of course. The password is written on your key card.
Great, thank you so much.
You're welcome, and enjoy your stay.
So polite and simple. Always remember to say thank you, even for small things.
Let's also practice one that happens to everyone on the phone.
Good idea. Many learners get nervous when speaking English on the phone.
Exactly. So let's try.
"Hello, this is Emily. May I speak to Mr. Carter, please?"
Good morning, Emily. One moment, please. I'll connect you.
"Thank you."
Hi, Emily. This is Carter speaking. How are you?
"I'm good, thank you. I just wanted to confirm our meeting time for tomorrow."
Sure. 10 a.m. at the downtown cafe, right?
"Yes, perfect. See you then."
Great. See you tomorrow. Bye.
Short, polite, and clear. That's the best way to sound confident on the phone.
Exactly. Use phrases like, may I speak to? Could you please hold on? And thank you for your time.
Let's do one more. At the bus stop or train station.
Perfect. Everyday travel English.
"Excuse me, does this bus go to Central Park?"
Yes, it does. You can get off at the fifth stop.
Great, thank you. How much is the ticket?
$2, please.
Here you go.
Thanks. The bus leaves in 5 minutes.
Awesome. That's how easy travel English can be. Now, let's talk about something many learners find difficult: small talk.
Ah, yes. Those short, friendly conversations that make you sound natural.
Exactly. Small talk isn't about deep topics. It's about connecting with people. For example, hi, how's your day going?
It's good, thanks. How about you?
Pretty good. The weather's nice today, isn't it?
That's the key. Simple questions and answers. You can talk about weather, work, movies, or hobbies.
Yes, like, did you watch the game last night? I love your jacket. Where did you get it? It's so busy today, isn't it?
Exactly. Small talk helps you sound confident and friendly.
So, Michael, we've practiced English in so many real-life situations today. Meeting people, eating, shopping, traveling, staying in hotels, asking for directions, and making small talk.
Yes, and what's great is that all of these use simple, real English, the kind that people use every day.
Exactly. And for our viewers, remember, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Every mistake is a step forward.
Yes, the more you speak, the faster you'll improve. Try using English in your daily life, even for 5 minutes a day.
You can talk to yourself, repeat phrases from movies, or practice with friends. Real English is all about using it.
And one day you'll realize, wow, I can speak English naturally.
That's right. So keep practicing, keep smiling, and never stop learning.
And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mr. English Clips for more real-life English conversations.
Comment below and tell us, which situation do you want us to teach next? Maybe at the hotel, at the job interview, or ordering coffee like a native?
Good ideas. We'll make it happen. Until then,
Keep speaking, keep learning,
and keep learning.
and keep shining. Bye, everyone.
Bye, everyone. See you in the next episode.